5 reasons why my channel got demonetized. So today I'll be showing you and I'll be telling you the reasons why my channel got demonetized. And these reasons is some of them you may not have heard about them. So watch to the end. Let's go there. 5 reasons that caused my channel to get demonetized. So if you are a lover of my content and you have been my subscriber for long now, you will agree with me that you have not been seeing adverts running on my videos. That is because my channel is demonetized since February 10th. So I'm showing you 5 things that got my channel demonetized. And the last one will leave your mouth wide open. So had it been I know of all these mistakes, I would have avoided every one of them. So for you to avoid it and for you not to be a victim just as I am, I have come to tell you exactly what happened to my channel. So number one thing that got me demonetized is I was using faceless. I was using faceless. And why I say I was using faceless is that it's not that faceless channels are bad. No, they are not bad. But the one thing is that based on my own niche, I teach. So I teach AI content, and it's a niche that is rampant, it's all over the internet. Okay. So why they got it demonetized is that I was not showing my face. If you have watched my contents, you will know that I don't show my face. It's just recently that I started to show, and some of my subscribers were asking, we love that your avatar. Why are you not using it? So this is the reason. This is one of the reasons that make YouTube to get me demonetized. I was using faceless. Why did I say I was using faceless? Number one, all through my videos, you will agree with me that 85% of my content is my voice. I use my voice and also my screen recording. Now, from beginning of it, I usually use avatars. I use my avatar as the beginning using Grok AI. Okay, so on that avatar, the avatar did not use my own voice. The avatar was using AI voice. So, when you are using AI voice, you are not the only one that Grok generated that voice for. It's a general voice. So because of that, they look at it that the content is mass produced. They label it mass produced, figuring that as one of it. Faceless. So if you are into teaching, I'm not saying that faceless contents are bad. No, they are not bad, but the way you use it and also the niche that you are into matters a lot. If you are in the kind of niche that I am, teaching AI tools, make sure that you show yourself like this. So they need you to show yourself, to show up, to show that you are human, that is not AI that is creating everything. So on my own case, I was using my avatar. I was using my AI avatar from beginning. Why? And I started recording from middle of the work. Okay. So that is one of the reasons that got me demonetized. So number 2, they say similar titles. My titles, if you look at my titles, majority of them look alike. Example, I usually start with how to create AI, how to create content, how to do this, how to that. So similarity became too much. Yes, similarity of your title. So when you are creating your content, when you are giving your content a title, make sure that they don't look alike at all. Make sure your titles does not look alike. They are not similar in any way. So if you are always using a similar titles, please go back and re-edit them, change it, because they will get to you sooner or later. So number three, the AI tools that I use. I was like, why will you tell me the AI tools that I use are bad? No, they can't, because nobody have told me this before. If people were actually, because for me, I feel like I was doing the right thing, of which everybody in my platform, we are like, this is a good news. Nobody figure out anything wrong. But I'm telling you now what we observe inside YouTube. I'm not telling you from what somebody else said. It's what really happened to me. Even right now, the channel is still demonetized pending till 18th of this month, May, to reapply again. And before I can reapply again, I must correct all these things that I'm telling you now. Every one of them have to be recorrected. And then I have to start showing myself, just as I'm saying now. I have to do that. No more faceless for me. So all we have to do is show yourself and come out plain. Let them know that you are the one doing it. So they said the AI tools I was using were too similar. And you will agree with them. Yes, because the majority of my AI tools that I teach is mostly grok. It's mostly grok. Okay, so they say that it looks like mass produced, even though they were not mass produced. It took me sleepless nights. I created these contents from my head and made them by myself. But yet, due to the tools similarity, the AI tools similarity causes another harm to my channel. So if you are an AI teacher, an AI content teacher niche, please don't use one particular AI to teach always. Always change it. Always change it. It's very important so that it will not get to you just as it got to me. Now the number 4, my dear, number 4. Number 4, channel intro. Jesus! If you watch majority of my content, you will see that I have this my lovely channel intro that I usually put after the introduction of what I want to teach. You will see, you must have heard this thing. This is AI mastery tutorial. YouTube make me to stop using it. They say it looks like a template. Can you imagine that? My own channel intro now looks like a template. How? I know you must have not heard about all these things. So that's why I say watch to the end, because the last one, which is the 5th one, oh my good Lord, you will shout. So I've told you the first one, they say faceless, that I'm using faceless in the wrong channel. Secondly, they said the AI tools that I was teaching were too similar. Thirdly, they say my titles, we are looking like a template title because they all look alike. Then the 4th one, I told you, they say my channel intro, they say it looks like template, it's templated. That was the grammar they use. I never heard that one before. Templated. They say it's template content. Just imagine. Content that took me several nights to create. If you listen to some of my backgrounds, you will be hearing people snoring. That to say that my people are sleeping while me, I was awake, working tirelessly, effortlessly. I put in so much effort, and yet nobody told me that these things could cause harm to my channel. And that is why I'm giving it out to you now, free of charge, so that you will not fall a victim of the same thing that happened to me. Now, the last one, the 5th one, my dear, the 5th one, the thumbnails. The thumbnails. They say the thumbnails, my thumbnails look template, that they are template thumbnail. Oh boy, how? How does my thumbnail now look like a template? Now look, just take a look at all these my thumbnails. Can you see my thumbnails? These are my thumbnails. And yet, they say it's template, that they look too similar, that the similarities are too overwhelming. My good Lord, what can we do to please these people? I beg, somebody should tell me in the comment section if there's a way out to solve all these things, because let me know in the comment section, okay? So I've come out, I've tell you what caused my channel to be demonetized, and it will help you to save your own channel, to avoid all these things that I mentioned now. Please avoid them so that you yourself will not get hooked at the middle of the day, okay? See you again. Thank you for joining me. I still remain Queen, but from now, please, I would like somebody to help me, give me an idea of what I'll be creating now on my content, because I lack ideas and I'm feeling like giving up on this channel. But because of you, I will keep coming out. Okay? See you again. Love you.